Welcome back, guys, to part 2 of the 79cc Predator electric converted gasoline powered scooter. Yeah, that's a mouthful. So today we're starting our day off. We gotta go pick up some parts. If I do plan on selling it, I would at least like to add a muffler, so gotta go pick up a muffler, some other stuff, some paint. And so yeah, I guess I'll see y'all at Tractor Supply. Here at Ace Hardware, pick me a little coupler up. So now for the eBay stuff, I bought a little air filter. You actually need an adapter to run. This little metal thing that slides right on, or right inside the pod. There's so much crap in the air that the engine could suck in, so I learned my lesson buying an air filter. So yeah, let's go ahead and install these, and it should be. So this is the 48mm adapter, and I love how it just slides on. Now that is some quality fitment. It's literally like the perfect fit, guys. Got this little this covering thing welded. I don't know if you guys know or not, the two D-wall angle grinders I bought are crap. I've been having to use my dad's electric one, and that just goes through batteries like every minute, so I just have to keep on putting them on charge. I'm too broke to go out and buy a brand new one, so I just pulled out my dad's backup one. This thing is huge, but this old Makita, it really cuts nice. It's not even that loud, and I could just... Yeah, thing is pretty nice. So now I'm working on getting that welded. Aw. Very rarely, guys, we see something like this. Just look how cute that is. I guess I'll just let him go somewhere in a safe place. Okay, so I think I'm happy with the seat like this. It does look a little bit wonky, but I think once we paint it, it should look good. It's gonna be pretty comfortable. The seat is really comfortable. So yeah. Well, we've been wire brushing this thing for, we'll say, about 1 hour. My goal was to take all the stickers off, but they just don't come off, so I just wire wheeled it. No big deal. We'll repaint it. We're repainting it anyways. We'll still have to clean and sand all this with like 180 or 320. So my Walmart didn't have too much paint, so the closest color there was this deep blue. I had these sitting in some warm water for a few minutes, and humidity is around 60%, and it's around 60 degrees, so yeah. So after a couple days worth of hard work and a few $20 bills, we managed to get this thing looking perfect and just looking so beautiful and nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and reveal it to you and then show you everything, just walk you around quickly. If you want to skip this, then you could just skip to here. That's when I do the riding, because this video is pretty long. So yeah, I'm gonna do a quick little walk around. So yeah. Okay, so here is the scooter, looking really nice. Okay, so I painted the frame blue, I painted the handlebars black, and the seat post black. So 90% of the bolts you see here, I've put some blue Loctite on, so that's good. I went as far as painting this clutch black, matte black. I painted this matte black. I even painted our engine mounts blue to match the frame so it doesn't stick out, the chrome. We have scuffed the paint up a little bit right here, but that's okay. I don't even see that. Before I had some cheap bolts on here, I actually ran to Tractor Supply and picked up some nice metric ones. Metric ones hold more foot-pounds, so they're going to be stronger. Put some fresh gas in here. I grinded my teeth on this hub adapter down. I painted the sprocket black, both of them flat black. I washed the wheels a little bit. I painted this caliper black, washed this wheel. I wired up my kill switch, which actually looks pretty slick. It goes in through that hole and comes out that and goes right to that kill switch. We actually stole our really nice brake off our, or brake lever off our motorized bicycle. It brakes really good. So this I just found laying around. I cut it to length, and as you can see here, it only requires one bolt for it to hold in. There's an up close of the kill switch, how I wired it. I also messed around with the throttle a little bit. See here, I have it going into these two nuts right here, and that, and here's the choke. And I've actually bolted on this kickstand. It's kind of ghetto, but it should work. And this is a Schwinn, really soft seat. I've never felt the seat softer than that in my life. So yeah, overall, I'm really happy. It rides good, it looks good. So yeah, that's a thumbs up from me, guys. If y'all do want to leave a thumbs up, definitely go ahead and drop one down below. And yeah, I guess we're gonna have to get to the riding. Okay, I'm in the middle of the road, but I just want to stop and say, man, this thing is fun. So I think I weigh around 140, 150, and yeah, it pulls me. Struggles a little bit uphill. You gotta wait till the clutch starts engaging, but for like an 80-pound kid, a 100-pound kid, it's just gonna pull him no problem. When you screw the muffler on, it definitely restricts it a lot, but man, that thing is fun. Well guys, we got the scooter finished. Looks good, I like it. One little flaw with the thing is you really never know when it's gonna break. The gearing is pretty high, so the clutch is gonna wear a lot faster. The chain might wear, the sprocket might wear. It's a pretty cheap sprocket, but still it should last for a while. Due to the limited space in the frame, the chain does rub the frame, but still, it still works pretty good, so I'm happy. So if you'd like to support me and see me build bigger and better things, go check out my Patreon down below. Link is in the description. I would highly appreciate it. Hopefully if we do get a Patreon following, some of that money could help us fund for our new welder or paint booth or a GoPro. So I think I just spoiled it. We got to get ourselves a better welder. gas welder. We got to get ourselves a paint booth, just a cheap paint booth with a compressor, a nice compressor, just a cheap paint booth. I'll be looking to buy those hopefully around next year. It's kind of been a learning process for me, so yeah, I would love to get like a welder and a paint booth and stuff, and eventually move on to stuff. So saving up money right now. Videos are going to be kind of slow until I get the money, and I have some special if everything goes to plan, but that's only if everything goes to plan. So check out my other videos. Be sure you subscribe, hit that bell. Somehow we managed to get the scooter done in 2 parts. I don't know if it's going to be the last part. We're definitely going to have to do a top speed or some other part or something. I don't know. Not sure yet. Depends on how well this episode does. So yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. Stay safe. Peace.